Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about the new cryptocurrency that have listing on the Binance Mbox, right? So for the 1 day there is no here, right? No one. We're gonna change it to the 4-hour chart. Still like the first of the highest is at 5.9 and this now is having like a little bit correction, but if they can hit above the 5.9, then it will make the other one, but I think it's a little bit hard to make in like 1 week or 2 weeks. I think if they want to hit at this point 5.9, it has to take a time, like 1 month or 2 months, right? Let me change to the 1-hour chart. So the 1-hour chart is already looking more good. In the Bollinger Band, we are gonna try again to the 30 minutes. This is more, it's really zoom on it. They are trying to push it to the pink one side here. It's like at the middle band, we call it middle band, on the 4.68 US dollar. Whether we have to entry in this point or not, I think it's no, right? Because it's 30 minutes, but when we are looking at the 4-hour chart, it's still on the like little bit correction or bearish, right? And then when looking on the 30 minutes, so before I never use this 30 minutes, but because the Mbox is like only 2 days or first days, right? And then we're gonna see more zoom at the 30 minutes, right, for the hour. So is it a good opportunity? If you already have this coin and you want to take in profit, then you can take in profit first and you can entry again on the other, like a deep one. The deep one, where the deep one is like at 2 or 2.5, right? 2 or 2.5, but the range prices is at this point is from the 4.1 until 5.2, right? But looking at the RSI stochastic, still on the neutral position, not overbought, not oversold, right? And looking on the moving average also, this is trying to push it to the yellow one, but I think it's a little bit hard for it, and then at the 4.402, and if it's go up, right, then it will try to go to the pink one side here on the 4.663 US dollar, and then they are finding to the other one on this one, right, the 5.3 this point. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question, just let me know, put your comment below. Bye.